In this video, I will show you how to create a glitchy scale text effect in After Effects. First, make sure you have your text layer in the timeline. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Glitchy Text Disorder, and drag and drop it onto your text layer. Adjust the end keyframe to control where the effect stops. Now, select both keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them, then open the graph editor. Make sure the value graph is selected and adjust it to match my graph. Next, make a few cuts at the end of the text layer with different short lengths. Select each cut, press S on your keyboard to open the scale properties and unlink the X and Y values. Adjust the scale settings for each cut. You can also move the position of the text slightly to enhance the glitch effect. Once that is done, right-click in the timeline, hover over New and select Solid. Set the color to white and click OK to create the solid layer. Cut this solid layer so it only appears for one frame at the end of your text layer. That's it. Play the timeline to see your glitchy scale text effect. If you found this helpful, check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.